Alright, let's be honest. How many of you actually track your trades? Be real, cause if your strategy is just a wipe and hope, we need to talk. And before we go any further, please drop a comment and tell me, do you really journal your trades or not at all? Want to know a real difference between a profitable traders and those who keep blowing the accounts? There's a two words, trading journal. And if that already makes sense, then hit the like button so YouTube knows this is a good stuff. Think of it this way. If you can't remember when you entered a trade, how are you supposed to improve? Tracking trades means catching mistakes before they wreck your account. It exposes the bad habits, like that just one more trade moment, It helps to refine a strategy. You are not just guessing every time you hit a buy. And before you say, oh, I don't need a journal, I just remember my trades. Listen, no, you don't. The brain deletes the bad trades like a bad ex. Write it down. So if this is hitting home, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on more ways to level up your trading game. So how do you start? Simple. 1. Record your entries, exits, and the reasoning for trade. 2. Track your emotions. Yes, FOMO panic buy at the top counts also. 3. Review, adjust, and trade smarter. And by the way, do you know who loves consistent traders? Funded crypto prop firms. Like, I don't know, HyroTrader? HyroTrader funds traders who prove they can trade with the discipline. And the best part is that you can trade via API on any crypto exchange like a Bybit, Binance, Kraken, CEX, you name it. So to start, you can just hit the link below and take on our one-step or two-step challenge and get funded. Oh, and don't trade alone. Join our community where serious traders share their insights, strategies, and let's be real, the occasional trading meltdown also. So click the link, start your trading journey today. Alright, and before you go, drop a comment. What's the biggest mistake you've made that a trading journal could save you from? Let's talk, and I will pick up one person who will receive my personal journal template. And of course, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because if you are serious about the trading, this is where you want to be.